Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel. And let's get right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my sister's nails. She has been wanting to do her nails, but the only problem is they're going to be super short. Her job doesn't require her to wear really long nails. Like they don't require her. They don't allow her to wear really long nails because of what she does. So we have to, like, if you hear my dogs in the background running, because I can never be great. It's like they hear the camera come on. They hear me doing a voiceover and it's like, let's go bother mommy. Do you hear the look at, oh my god. All right, hold on a minute. But like I was saying before I got interrupted, yeah, she can't wear really long nails, so this is why we're doing some shorties. And I just decided I was gonna go with either polygel or dip powder, but we ended up going with a dip powder because it's more neutral and it's a very nice color and it's very subtle. So that's what we did. So right here I am just filing her nails and getting that nice square shape. That's just the shape that she wanted. She didn't want round. I mean, it's not like she can really do round because her nails weren't that long, but you could kind of make it work with round, but it wasn't gonna look nice. So we decided to go with nice square shape, well, tapered square, if that makes sense. So that's what we're doing right here. And all the products that I used in this video will be listed down below. Also, a lot of you guys have asked me over and over again about my nail drill. I use the Melody Susie nail drill, the what is it called, the Scarlet. I use the Scarlet and I use the other one too, which is like the one that you could just take everywhere with you, which I love, you guys. It's perfect. Like you can literally move it from one desk to another desk. It's just it's an amazing drill. The Scarlet is an amazing drill. So I know a lot of you guys have asked me over and over again, what drills do I use? And I use those two, and I'm actually going to be having a giveaway very soon on drills for you guys. I have about 4 or 5 drills to give away, so I'm just looking for the right time to give them away in the right video. They're not Melody Susie drills. Well, one of them is a Melody Susie drill, the other ones are regular, so I kind of want to do like a giveaway really soon on that because a lot of you guys have been asking me about that. So yeah, stay tuned for that giveaway. I have so many giveaways going on right now. I have like 4 up, so there's 1 on my Instagram and there's 3 on here, and I'm gonna try and do 1 more. But this quarantine is really bad. Oh my god, my dogs are doing the most. This quarantine is like really bad. Like pretty soon they're gonna stop the mail and we have a curfew, and it's just a lot going on right now. So just bear with me, you guys. I know a lot of my winners are waiting for your package. Please bear with me with the quarantine and stuff like that. It's taking a little bit longer to get stuff out, but you definitely will get your package. And anybody else that has won anything from me, I have a little tab on my Instagram page that you can send me your pics if you want, of like work that you would like for me to promote for you guys that you've done and things like that. So definitely check that out. And I'm also going to be accepting clients completely again in April, either April or May, depending on when the pandemic stops. I'm going to be opening up my bookings to about 10-20 more clients, so I'm super excited about that. I will be getting business cards and stuff like that, but definitely will be promoting more on social media. And I just want you guys to know, because I know a lot of my subscribers would love to get their nails done by me, and I just letting you know that in April or May it will be opening up so you guys can come. But right here I am just removing the shine off the nail and also the extra skin that she has. And yeah, they came out so cute. I love them. The Swarovski crystals that I used was the rose gold. I used blue streak crystals, If you don't know who they are, I will leave everything down below for you guys too, so you guys can check them out. The dip powder that I used is half and half Rosy Nail and half and half Youre Beauty. And yeah, they're both bomb too. So right here, I'm just removing the skin and the shine. Just super quick, super easy. I tell you one thing though, guys, doing short nails is so much harder than doing long nails. I don't know why. I guess maybe because I'm so used to doing long nails that it's like, what the heck is wrong with me? But this video right here was crazy. Like, when I tell you guys, listen, it was so hard to do these nails. Such a simple set, and it was so hard. I was like, what and why is this happening? But I don't normally do short nails. A lot of my clients like their nails super long. So this step right here was just, I don't know what was going on. But I'm just adding the base, not the base coat, the step one, which is like the bond and the dip powder. And then I'm going to be adding Easy Flow's primer because I just wanted like that extra secureness that I know that it's gonna stay. So that's what I did. And then I will be starting off with the base coat, which is number 2 from Rosy Nails, and then number 3, which is the activator from Rosy Nails, and using an Youre Beauty color. You can use any color dip with any dip system, I've noticed, because they all work the same, if you ask me. And then I just brush on the base 2, which is the base coat, and I just do a thin layer and just dip the nail in. Normally, let me put this out there, I don't do dip on my clients. It's just not something that I feel is sanitary. You can sanitize their nails like I did my sister. She washed her hand before she sat at my desk. Things like that you can definitely do. But when it comes to dip, I just feel like you have to be like really sure that they don't have anything, and then you have to clean the bottom of the nails, make sure there's nothing on the bottom of the nails. Like it's a lot. I'm sorry, you guys, they just ran into a glass. But it's a lot to keep dip powder sanitized, if I may say. So I normally just use dip powder on like my family and then me, just to test it out and things like that. I love dip powder. I love the system, I do. I just don't love how you apply it. And then I feel like if you was to add like a little bit into a container and use that on your client, it's just like a big waste of product. But you can definitely do it that way, just so that way nobody gets, you know, contaminated or whatever. But other than that, I definitely do love dip powder. It's definitely something that I like. And if you're just doing your nails at home by yourself, this is definitely something that you should try. You don't need a drill or anything like that. I use the drill because I'm a perfectionist and I'm a nail tech, and I have a drill and I have it handy. But other than that, you don't need a drill, just a buffer and a nail file, you guys. And yeah, so it's the cheapest thing that you could do compared to the Kiss nail kits. I know you guys love the Kiss nail kits and those type of videos, which I will be doing more of. But yeah, dip powder is definitely the next way to go. When it comes to dipping, I dip 3 times just to make sure that it's opaque. If you are not using a drill, just dip twice, and you don't need them that thick. And then apply a top coat. Make sure you activate them with the activator that they send, so that way they can get hard, because if not, they'll stay like mushy. What else? I feel like I have more to say about dip powder than what I'm saying. She loved her nails though. I'm so excited. I love how they came out. They're so beautiful. I love the color. I didn't like the color in the beginning. I'm like, but then when I seen them with the stones on, they looked really, really gorgeous. So they look really, really nice. Let's see. I'm trying to think if I have anything else to say about the dip powder, or if I should just leave it here for you guys. Yeah, I don't think I have much to say. I think in my next video I will be doing super long nails with a builder gel, which is from Easy Flow and stuff like that. And if you guys, because I know a lot of you guys kept asking me about my nail drill, I will leave that down below. It is Melody Susie. I love their nail drills. They're bomb.com. The cuticle bits are by Melody Susie too. And the drill bits in this video is also by Melody Susie. And if you guys stay tuned, I will be having a drill giveaway very soon, so you guys can win a drill from me. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. For one, I hope you guys are being safe, and I hope your family is safe, and I hope your family is healthy, and I just uplift all you guys in prayer and things like that. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload. And not only that, give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. And yeah, so after this part right here, really quick, I'm just going to be adding activator. You're going to see me just adding a couple of coats of activator just to activate the dip powder and make it hard. But I will see you in my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching.